Now we're going to look at GDX, which is the Van Eck Vectors Gold Miners ETF. This is the weekly chart. We have a lot of cycle brackets on here. GDX itself is the black cycle bracket. Gold futures is the gold one. The top three holdings in GDX are Newmont, Agnico Eagle, and Barrick Gold, and those brackets are on here as well. So here is our likely cycle low right on time. The first week of this move up looked promising. Now we're having a couple weeks of stalling. Momentum is still negative. There's our reversal scout. It is still purple. So we would expect this to be able to make its way at least up into the resistance zone, which runs from 40.77 on the top to 38.64 on the bottom. Let's move over to the daily chart. The daily chart shows the weakness more clearly. We've got a 35 bar cycle here. Here's the low and the move up, tagging the bottom of that resistance zone, and now just moving sideways. We've got mixed momentum here too, with a positive reversal scout and a negative slim ribbon. The timing window is at the end of the month, beginning of next month, so we'll watch to see if this can gain some strength before we get into the declining phase. The option bias indicator is neutral on this one. And let's take a look at the market condition indicator. It is coming up into the swing zone, so let's see if it can get through there. The third largest component of GDX was Barrick Gold. This has an average weekly cycle length of 44 bars with minor half cycles. Here is your minor cycle low. This one also had a move off that low that initially looked promising but has since stalled. Our reversal scout is still negative, so we need momentum to improve. Now this one retraced deeply down below the 78.6% fib. So our projection is only up into this resistance zone. We would not expect this to be able to move through that cycle high now. The resistance zone is from 18.5 to about 20. Let's move over to the daily chart. On the daily chart, this resembles some of the others that we have talked about, a move out of that synced low right there to the bottom of the resistance zone and now sideways. Momentum conditions are mixed here too. Reversal scout positive, slim ribbon negative. Our OBI is neutral and the MCI is very weak at negative 74. This one is care mining. It looks stronger than some of the others. We have a recent intermediate low, and we are in the last week of the timing window, moving up. Momentum is negative, but you can see that the reversal scout is starting to curl up. Based on that and the retracement into the support zone, I am projecting a higher high. Now here is the daily chart. We are in the top of the resistance zone. Look at the momentum on this one. The reversal scout is positive, and unlike the others, the slim ribbon on this one has improved from negative to neutral to today positive. I am projecting up to the 78.6% fib, maybe higher. Now the OBI is still actually just today turned neutral, so that is a positive development. Let's check the MCI. It's at 22, so it's in the top of the swing zone. If it can move up out of there, that will be a good sign. I like the looks of this one.